and welcome to OlaJoe the Crocheting Sailor. I am happy to come on today and show you all this happy mail that I received from Doris. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this packaging is just screaming happy, 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 happy mail. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Doris from Cottage Studio sent me this beautiful package. Thank you so much, Doris. She is a wonderful supporter of my channel and so many others, and she blessed me with this package, and I am so excited. As soon as I saw it, I saw this yarn. It looks variegated and it's in my favorite color, which you all know is blue. So I'm excited. Oh, you packaged it very well too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, I have the chills. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Anti-pilling everyday DK stripes. Look at this. This is in the color blueberry. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Like new, wash after wash. It is 250 yards, 273 meters, 3.5 ounces, and 100 grams. Oh my goodness. And it's soft too. This is by Premier. Look at that. Look at those colorways. Look at this color. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, wow. This is a lightweight 3. Oh my goodness. Wow. I love Premier yarn. Oh, wow. I know I have to make something. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Doris. Oh my goodness. And you know what? She also put a little smiley face on there, and she put Happy Meal on the front. Oh, thank you so much. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So I have 3, 6, 9 skeins of this beautiful anti-pilling yarn. Thank you so much, Doris. I greatly appreciate it. And let's see. It was 250 yards. I need to figure out what I'm going to make with this. And I'll probably do, I don't know yet, but I'll let you know. I'm excited. Thank you so much. I feel like I've won the lottery. I really, really do. Thank you very much for thinking of me. You are just such a lovely and sweet lady. And I applaud you, and I thank you for that, for blessing me with this happy mail. So you all give a shout out in the comments to Doris of Cottage Studio. I know you all know her and see her around the YT streets. So thank you so much for giving this to me, and you all have a glorious and blessed day. Thank you, Doris. Love you. Bye.